Making a sewer recording here at 1925 Northeast 113th Street. We are about 160 feet out from the cleanout installed here in the backyard. This will be making a video recording coming back from the Seattle City main. So what we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main. We're going to come back. So we're about 160 feet out from the cleanout. Coming back now. On the right side of the screen, you see a small break in the concrete line. That is right before the city main. So, small crack break out in the street there. You get a little better view of it right there. So this is 6-inch sewer line, concrete. Original to the house. A little bit flat section of sewer. This water always sits in here, which has the potential to cause clogs. Again, a little flat spot after the 90-degree turn. So this is the 90-degree turn at the corner of the house, where it wraps around. So you see, we got a 90 there. I'm actually going to locate this spot real quick here. I'll be right back. Okay, located in the corner of the yard, about 3 feet deep. this is the paw boats repair that we did here. This white plastic. And we're coming up out. So my initial 160 feet is a little bit off. It's closer to 135 from the house there, 140-ish. From this section of sewer we replaced out to the street. I'm gonna end the video there.